everyone. Today we're going to be demonstrating the Chinese lock tool, American brand, NSF certified. We're going to give you the dimensions. So from left to right, you're looking around 36 inches, 3 feet. Okay, now for the holes, each hole is going to be 13 inches. Now each hole has 18 jet burners on it. This is natural gas, can also come in propane. And now from top to bottom, you're looking around 21 inches. And the height of this one is going to be 30.5 inches tall, including the legs. As you can see, the gas pipe right here, it has no waterfall, just gas pipe right here. The specifications are all going to be here. NSF, ETL certified. Anything you need to know about the unit, the model is going to be IDMG13D. Natural gas, BTUs are on here as well. So anything you need to know, any more information, just feel free to give us a call or go on our website, www.scooterdepotusa.com. We have more information on this unit there as well. Thank you.